we're going to use our knowledge about slope and y-intercept in order to graph a line. So we are going to go ahead and write all of these. Y equals, slope comes first, negative 7/6. X plus b, and b is negative 1. So the fact that we know that our y-intercept is negative 1, so that is right here. This is our y-intercept. That means we are going to be able to plot that point. It crosses the y-intercept, which is right here, at negative 1. So we're going to go ahead and put that point. Now we should know by now what the slope is. And the slope is rise over run. And in this case, it's negative. So I'm going to have to travel in the negative direction, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that's negative 7 slope. And the 6 forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you plot your next point. Then you have your line, because you now have your 2 points. So there's the first one. Let's go ahead and do the second one, see how that goes. Okay, we're going to write it as y equals mx plus b. M is slope, y-intercept is b. So negative 4x plus b is 7. So again, this y-intercept is going to tell me where I cross the y-axis. The y-axis is right here. So I'm going to put my point at 7. Now the slope is negative 4 over 1, so that means rise over run. So I'm going to, the rise is a negative, so I have to fall. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I move forward 1. Place my next point. I could even do this one again. Right, or fall 1, 2, 3, 4, move forward 1, put your next point. And then you connect the dots. Try to get it straight. Miss Erringer's not great at it. Okay, let's go ahead and try number 3. So you have watched 2. Take a pause. Go ahead and try it on your own and then come back and see if you're right. Make sure that I write this. This is m equals 7/5 and y-intercept is b. So y equals 5/7 x plus negative 6. So it crosses the y-intercept at negative 6. My slope is 5/7, so it goes up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, forward 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And you're going to connect the dots. Now, the one thing that I left off that does make this easier to verify that yours is the same as mine is to go ahead and label these. So let's go ahead and start doing that now. This one will be 7, negative 1. This one would be 0, 6. That'll come into play later while we do it. So with that stated, let's go ahead and try number 4. You guys push pause, make sure to label your points, and then come back and see if you are right. So m equals 8, b equals negative 4, y equals 8x minus 4. So my y-intercept is negative 4, so I'm going to fill that in. That is 0, negative 4. Going to use my slope of 8, count up 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, forward 1. And put the next point, and that will be 0.1, comma 4. Then you connect your dots into some sort of line. How many of you got it right? All right, excellent. So at this point, I will do a few more of these, but you guys will be responsible for doing them and then checking your work. So y equals 3/4 x plus 2, because this is 2. Plot my point. This one is 0, comma 2. And then we're going to use our slope. Up 3, 1, 2, 3, forward 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Put your next point. I should have changed color. This one is 4, comma 5. And connect your lines. Okay, number 6, y equals -1. Ooh, we didn't talk about this. X, y-intercept is -3. So I'm going to plot my y-intercept. This is 0, -3. My slope is -1, so that means down 1, forward 1. We know that it is traveling negative because the slope will be going downhill, and that we went over when we were learning our proportions. So this one will be 1, -4. Number 7, y equals 5x plus 3. Y-intercept is 0, 3. My slope is up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, forward 1. Next point is 1, 8. Okay, push pause, check. Number 8, y equals -2x minus 2. So my y-intercept is 0, -2. My slope is down 2 because it's -2, forward 1. So my next point will be 1, -4. And you can kind of continue that little pattern on your line. Push pause, check, make sure that you're good. Number 9, y equals -3/5 x plus 4. My y-intercept is 0, 4. We're going to use our slope. Down 3, forward 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Put my next point. Label point 5, 1, and draw a line through both points. Okay, the back side is homework, and we will go over those answers when you bring your work in tomorrow. Don't need that.